Hey guys, my name is Mike from PTT Outdoor, and today we are doing a frequently asked questions session about Maliau Basin. So for our article that we wrote recently, there are a lot of questions that haven't been answered, so we will answer them in this video. Let's go! Okay, question number one that we have here is, where is Maliau Basin? Maliau Basin is situated in Sabah. It's called the Lost World of Sabah. So it is, if the nearest town to Maliau Basin is actually Tawau, so usually people will fly into Tawau and make their way by land there. But if you are within Sabah, you can go from Kota Kinabalu and Lahad Datu as well. The second question is how to go to Maliau Basin. So for us, we made our way from Tawau to Maliau Basin by car. We got a van that drives us all the way to Maliau Basin. It takes about 6 hours of car ride because the road is partly tarred and it's partly gravel road. But of course, from Lahad Datu and also Kota Kinabalu, you can make your way to Maliau Basin, but it's actually much further. This is a question that we get a lot. What is the package price? So for us, the package price that we got, including our guides, our accommodation and food for 5 days, 4 nights, is about 1,200 ringgit to 1,300 ringgit, depending on whether you got a porter or not. So that would be the price range that you will be paying, and it includes conservation fee for Maliau Basin. So it's actually a good thing. The next question is, do you need to bring tent for Maliau Basin? Is it camping style? No, you do not need to bring your own tent for Maliau Basin, and it's not camping style. Where you will be staying for the first 2 nights will be at it's a research center, we call it, called Nephantis Camp, and for the 3rd and 4th night you will be staying at Ginseng Camp. It's like a wooden house which is very complete with proper toilet and also beds. So no, you don't have to bring your own tent. It's reasonably comfortable, I would say, for the outdoorians out there. And yeah, you don't have to worry about the fact that you have to camp outside or something like that. Is there any electricity at the campsite for Maliau Basin? This seems to be one of the big concerns for you city folks. And the answer is, surprisingly, yes. There is electricity at Maliau Basin at both Nephantis Camp and also Ginseng Camp. At Nephantis Camp, there is only one pot, so it's better that you bring your extension if you have a few devices to charge. But yes, there is electricity, but be reminded that the electricity there is operated by a generator set. So they will switch on the electricity at 7 o'clock and they will switch off the electricity at 10 o'clock, and it gets very dark from there for both the campsites. Hey guys, if you want to watch more videos from PTT Outdoor, make sure you click the link over here. And if you like the content that we make sure you smash the subscribe button right here.